Okay, so today we're going to show you how to start and assemble your planter. So first you're going to want to grab your support tubes and place them in the holes and make sure they're across from each other and these parts are this way. Next you're going to want to get these and put them in the holes. And you're going to want to screw them on. So now we're going to put this in the one with the bigger hole and our two nets over top. And then you're going to want to put the pump on the skinnier one. So put that in there, and then you can put it in the bucket and put the wire through this part here. And just push it down, and you're good to go. Now you can fill it with the pebbles. And now we rinse the pebbles. Now let the water out.